Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we got the TUDIA MergeGrip heavy duty case for the OnePlus 12R. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, durability and all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future upload. So first of all, let's have a look on this retail packaging. Here we got the TUDIA Merge branding. It is a uniquely designed protective case for OnePlus 12R. Here is the case. On the back we got some of the information that it comes with dual layer protection, that is a combination of TPU interior and polycarbonate shell exterior. We got clicky buttons and the military grade protection following the military standard 810G. The color option we got here is the pine green, but it also comes in the matte black, smoky pink, sky blue and indigo blue color options. Here is our TUDIA MergeGrip case for OnePlus 12R in pine green. So here you can see that we got this textured back that is going to provide superior grip while holding the device with this case. Here we got the TUDIA branding. At the bottom we got the cutouts for the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, microphone, and at the top we got the cutouts for the microphone, IR blaster, etc. On the inside we got this zigzag cross lines that work as shock absorbent, and we got this TUDIA branding. Since this is a MergeGrip case and it is a combination of the soft TPU part along with this polycarbonate exterior. Here once again we got this TUDIA Merge designed in USA branding. This is the hard polycarbonate shell and this is the soft TPU inside. The unique part is that you can use only this soft TPU part of the case with your OnePlus 12R smartphone. You can just put your smartphone here and you will be good to go. So it's still going to provide solid protection to your OnePlus 12R, but if you want more protection, of course you can just attach the hard polycarbonate shell with your soft TPU interior and the whole case will be ready for you. So as you can see that it provides very nice grip while holding the device because of this textured back panel and the textured grooves we got here on the side. You can see that the cutouts are very precise, so it's going to provide protection to the bottom as well as at the top because no additional space is empty. If you have a look from this angle, you can see that the edges are raised a lot to provide protection to the display if you drop your phone flat on the ground. And if you have a look on the back, you can see that the surface area around the camera module is also raised to provide protection to the camera lens. So this is quite nice that TUDIA MergeGrip case for OnePlus 12R is going to provide protection to the device from every angle. The buttons are very tactile, very clicky, and it feels so good while pressing them, and as you can see they work perfectly every single time. So if you're planning to buy a case for your OnePlus 12R, then the TUDIA MergeGrip case is one of the nice options for you because it provides solid protection to the device from every angle. The grip is very solid, it feels so good in hand, the build quality is superior, and it comes with unique MergeGrip design that allows you to use the case just with the TPU shell or with the combination of TPU and polycarbonate exterior. If you want to buy it, then you can visit the link given in the description of this video, or you can click the one appearing at the top right corner of the screen. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.